The virtual whiteboard. TVW.
Welcome to the virtual whiteboard. In my previous videos, you would have learned the phonic sounds for the alphabets A and B. Today, in this video, let us learn the phonic sounds for the letter C. The letter C has two basic sounds. The first one is K. The second one is S. Let us see one by one. CA has the sound Ca. For example, cat, cap, candle. The letters CE have the sound S. Cell, center, centimetre. The letters CE have the sound Se, as in cell, center and centimetre. The letters CH have a special sound. You should remember this sound Ch, as in chair, chapter, challenge. The letters CI have two different sounds. The first one is C, as in city, cinema, cinnamon. The other sound for CI is S, as in circle, circular, circus. There is yet another special sound for CI, as in special. So it also has the sound sh, as in official, artificial. So it has the sound sh. Next comes CL. CL has the sound cl, as in clue, clay, clouds. The letters CO have the sound K, as in copy, cord, con. The letters CO also have the sound CO, as in cooperate, cold, cone. The letters CR have the sound crop, crowd, crown. The letters CU have the sound K, as in cup, cut, cupboard. They also have another sound Q, as in cube, cute, curious. The letters CY have the sound Psy, as in cycle, cyclone. I hope you all understood the sounds. Please try repeating after each slide. You can pause and repeat and learn. Please stay tuned to this channel to learn more sounds of all the other letters of the alphabet. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.